Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic Windows 11 latest security update KB5089549. So I will show you now how to download and install this update, and I'm also going to discuss about what are the features introduced with this update. So to download this update, open settings, tap on Windows Update, tap on check for updates. So after you tap on check for updates, it will display the available updates to download. Just download and install the update. So after installing the update, the system it will ask for the restart. Just restart your system. In my case, I already installed this update. To check the previously installed updates, tap on update history. Here you can find the KB5089549. It is already installed. Now we will see what are the features introduced with this update. The first feature it is Xbox mode. So after installing this, after installing this update, the Xbox mode is enabled by default. To check, just open settings, tap on gaming, tap on Xbox mode. Here you can find the Xbox mode, it is enabled by default. In case if it is disabled, just toggle this button on. Now to launch the Xbox, navigate to start menu and type Xbox. Tap on Xbox. Now it will launch the Xbox. Now it will launch the Xbox. Now you can play the games in full screen. So to enter the Xbox mode, just tap on Xbox mode. So after you tap on Xbox mode, it will prompt one message, switching to Xbox mode. Tap on enter Xbox mode. In case if you want to go back to the desktop mode, just press the Windows logo key on your keyboard. So by pressing the Windows logo key on your keyboard, you can go back to the desktop mode. Tap on got it. Tap on this game. Open this game. Tap on play. Now it will launch the game. So here you can check actually. Now you can play the game in the full screen. You can play the game in full screen mode. And by using this Windows logo key on your keyboard, you can switch between the application also like this. So by pressing the Windows logo key on your keyboard, you can switch between the application also like this. And if you want to go back to the desktop mode, just press the Windows logo key on your keyboard. Tap on this Windows desktop. Tap on continue. So it will switch to the desktop mode. Here you can check the Game Pass. Just tap on this Game Pass icon. So here you can find a lot of games. Just install and download and just open these games, and if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe also. You can play a lot of games here. You can find the game. If you can find a lot of games in the Game Pass. Here you can find the already installed games also. And you can enable other options also for the, you can enable the other options also for the Xbox mode. So you can enable this task view also. So Xbox mode in task view. So toggle this button on. So by pressing the Windows plus tab key on your keyboard, so you can view the Xbox mode in the task view also like this. So this is a very good improvement this is a very good improvement after installing this KB5089549. can use this Xbox feature by default in the Windows after installing this update actually. Now we will check about the other feature, that is drop tray. So the drag tray, now it is renamed as drop tray actually. Drag tray now, the drag tray now renamed as drop tray. To check the drop tray, just open settings, tap on system, tap on, scroll down, tap on multitasking. So here you can find the drop tray actually. Here you can find the drop tray. So before it is actually drag tray, now it is renamed as drop tray. But the function and working, it will same as the drag tray. Just they rename it. Just they renamed as drop tray actually. But all the functioning will work as same as drag tray only. So the drop tray before it is located at, the drag tray before it is located at nearby sharing. But after installing this update, they move to the multitasking. And they rename as drop tray actually. So they rename as drop tray. So if you want to check, you can check also. So can function the same as drag tray actually. You can share any file with any application. So for example, I want to share this file with the WhatsApp. Just hold and drag like this. So you can share the file same as drag tray actually. So both the functioning of the drag tray and drop tray is same, but just they renamed the drag tray into drop tray. That's it. That's about drop tray. And another feature it is, now you can format the FAT32 volumes up to 2 terabytes. So before it is actually, the FAT32 volumes you can format up to 32 GB only. Now you can format up to 2 terabyte. So for that, you need to run some commands actually. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Run the command prompt as an administrator. Tap on yes. So before this update, you cannot to format the F32. Before this update, you cannot format the FAT32 volumes more than 32 GB. Now, after installing this update, you can format the FAT32 volume up to 2 terabyte. So for that, you need to run some commands. So there are multiple commands. So I will show you, two different ways you can format the FAT32. In two different ways, you can format the FAT32 volumes. So I will show you the both ways. One command is actually, so for that, first you need to run this Diskpart and hit enter. And type this command list disk, space disk, and hit enter. And type select this disk and hit enter. Here you need to check the volumes. Type this command list space volume. So I want to format this volume D drive. So I want to format this partition. Celt volume. Type this command celt volume 2. This is the volume. D drive is 2 volume actually. So type this command, celt volume space 2 and hit enter. Now run this command. For space fs equal to FAT32 space quick. This is the one command actually. In another way also, using another command also, you can format FAT32. So I will show you that command also. So first run this command for space, for space fs equal to fat32 space click and hit enter. So now the volume is formatted. So this is one way actually. And another way is I will show you another way also. That is another command actually. Just run this command. Format space type the drive name space /fs column fat32 space /q. So I want to format the D drive, right? So I will type the drive name D drive /fs column fat32 /q. So this is the another command actually. Using this command also you can format. Hit enter. So, but make sure actually before running this command, make sure you copy the data because after you run the command, all the data will be erased actually. So make sure actually before running these commands, all the data on the disk will erase actually. So it will be lost. So it is asking for the proceed with format. Type S and hit enter. So actually will prompt one message also, but due to the disk size, it is not prompting for me. In case if it is more than 30 GB, in your case it will prompt actually for the it will prompt for the volume size also actually. In my case, it is less than 30 GB. That is the reason it is not prompting anything. So now you need to enter the volume name also. You need to enter the drive name also. So you need to type the drive name also here. The drive name is local disk actually. So same thing you need to type here. Here we already mentioned about the drive letter. So no need to worry. Just type the volume name here. So in this case, so in this way you can format the FAT32 volumes more than 32 GB actually. So this is the new feature actually. Here you can observe the format is completed. So, but make sure before running these commands, you need to have the data. You need to make the backup for the data. So, using these both commands, you can format the FAT32 volumes actually. So, before installing this update, you can format up to 32 GB only. So, after installing this update, you can format up to 2 terabyte. So, this is the one feature. And one more feature it is SecureBoot actually. So first, I mean, actually by default, all the security certificates, all the secure boot certificates, all the secure boot certificates, it will update it actually by default in the Windows security. But make sure actually the secure boot it is enabled. So to check the secure boot it is enabled or not in your system. So just open the run dialog box and type this command msinfo32. Type this command msinfo32 and tap on OK. So here you need to check the two things actually. The BIOS mode. So the BIOS mode should be in the UEFI and the SecureBoot also. SecureBoot it is enabled or not. So the SecureBoot state it is on. Case if it is off, you need to enable the SecureBoot in the BIOS settings. So open the BIOS settings. From the BIOS settings, you can enable the SecureBoot from the BIOS also. So first make sure the SecureBoot is enabled by running this command msinfo32. So if you want to enable SecureBoot, the BIOS mode should be UEFI only. So here you can check the SecureBoot. In my case, it is already enabled. So just open Windows Security. Navigate to the start menu and type Windows Security. Tap on Device Security. Here you can find the SecureBoot. In case the SecureBoot is disabled in the BIOS setting, you cannot find this option actually in the Windows Security. So need to enable the SecureBoot in the BIOS. So after that, the device it will automatically update all the SecureBoot certificate actually. So after installing this update, the SecureBoot certificate also automatically updated. So if you want to check more things, tap on Learn More. So here you can find the more information about the SecureBoot. So all the device. So in case the SecureBoot it is enabled by default. So after installing this update, all the security certificates, all the security boot certificates is updated automatically. In case if it is any expired certificates, will display the information here actually. If there is any old certificates or any expired certificates, the information it will display here. You can read the description also here. SecureBoot is on. All required certificate updates have been applied. No further certificate changes are needed. So here you can find the information of the SecureBoot. This is one feature actually. So, but first make sure the SecureBoot is enabled in the BIOS. You can check the SecureBoot is enabled by running that msinfo32 also. So this is one feature. And one more feature using this update actually, after installing this update, that is now you can use the Arabic 101 keyboard layout actually. So to check that, open settings, tap on time and language, tap on language and region. So here you can find this language actually. So just tap on this language options. Tap on this add a keyboard. In my case, I already added this Arabic 101. So now it is supporting this Arabic 101 also. So in case if you not install, just can install from here also. You can add the language from here also, and you can add the keyboard from the language options. So after installing this update, now it is supporting the Arabic 101 keyboard actually. So from here also you can add the keyboard. So this is one more feature. And next feature is you can find the new icons for the Windows printers actually. So to check that, you can find the new icons for the printers actually. So for that, just open settings, tap on Bluetooth and device, scroll down, tap on printer and scanner. Here you can find the shield icon. After the next to the printers. So I don't have any external printer here. So you can guess if there is any HPR, otherwise any printers. So you can find this shield icon there actually. So the shield icon, the new icon, it is designed actually after update. So you can find this new icon after installing this after installing this KB5089549. This is one more feature you can found, this is one more improvement actually. You can found this field icon for this headers. And the next feature it is you can control the bandwidth of the, you can control the download statistics of the, bandwidth. You can control the bandwidth statistics for the delivery optimization. Just tap on open settings, tap on the Windows update, tap on advanced options, tap on delivery optimization. So here you can check actually, tap on this download options. Here you can enable the background limit, foreground limit actually. You can enable these options, background limit and foreground limit. You can control the bandwidth statistics for the Windows updates here. You can change these values and you can control the bandwidth statistics for the Windows update in the delivery optimization. Background limit and foreground limit. And you can control the upload options also. You can control the upload statistics also. So this is the one major change in the after installing this update. You can control the download statistics and upload statistics for the delivery optimization in the Windows update. This is the one major change. And they redesigned the developer mode icon also. So to just navigate to the advanced, open settings, tap on system, tap on advanced. So they redesigned the developer mode also. So when you try to toggle this button on developer mode, now you can found this option also here. So turn on developer mode. Now they redesign this dialog box also here. So this is also one change in the after installing this update actually. And not only this, so they actually now with this update they supporting the lot of package also. Lot of archive formats also. So without need of the third-party tools, third-party applications like WinRAR, Win32. So they are supporting the lot of archive formats also. That is also they introduced with this update actually KB5089549. So that's all about KB5089549. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Please hit bell icon for more upcoming videos and please hit like button and please share with your friends and family also. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your time. And if you like this video, please share. And if you have any queries, please make a comment and please post a comment. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your time.